Okay, my husband and I, Mr. Dustin right here, is gonna give peanut butter to my dog because it's funny.
Hopefully her fucking she sticks to her tongue, her roof of her mouth.
You just have to stick it in there. Oh.
That's a hell of a face. Looks like she's got diarrhea face.
Well, Maribella.
I don't think she needs any more.
No. She really don't. She's stuck.
She's gonna be licking
like
her
that.
face for hours.
Look at that tongue.
Is it good? That's one of those dog licks your screensavers. Licks your glass screensavers. Want some more? Yeah, get that first. Go ahead. Here. Have at it.
Man, if she ends up with diarrhea, I am not cleaning it up. You are. It's your idea. That's enough. Don't give her no more. No.
Alright.
You good?
Ma said no.
Was you good?
Ma said no.
Wake up, Ella.
You want one more thing?
Huh?
Want a treat?
Wake up, Ella.
Want a
Oh,
treat?
yeah. Something dry.
Want a treat? Speak. 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 Speak.
My husband is mean. Mean, I tell ya. Say hello, social cam world.
Yes.
Say
What she
hello.
said. Hello, social cam world. Dance. 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 Come on. Dance. Girl.